Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to ship a trading card. Okay, so this could be a Pokemon card, a sports card, Yu-Gi-Oh, Magic, doesn't really matter. I'm just going to show you the plain white envelope method for shipping a trading card. Okay, so the first thing that you need is the card, obviously. And you want to put it in this penny sleeve. So here we have the card. It's just a holographic Pokemon card. Here is the penny sleeve. I prefer these ones just because, like I showed you, you can pop it right out from the bottom like that and it's not going to damage the card. Some of the other sleeves are way more difficult to get out, or if they're too tight on the edges, it's going to damage the edges of the card. So if you don't have penny sleeves, I will link them below where you can purchase them. The next thing you want to do is take your card in a penny sleeve. You want to take your top loader, so this is just a harder piece of plastic here. You want to just take the card, put it inside the top loader there. Hit it down to the bottom. There we have the card inside of the top loader. The next thing a lot of people do is they take tape and they put it right over the top of the top loader. I don't recommend doing this just because it's a pain to get off when you receive the card, and it generally ruins the top loader. So what I do, take a piece of paper, cut out a small strip like this, fold it in half. I'm gonna put this right over the top. Take a small piece of tape. Put it right on the front there. Take a small piece of tape. Flip it over, make sure this is tight, put it on the back there. So there we go. This card is secured. You know, the top of the top loader is now kind of pinched down, so it has less risk of sliding up. And if the card does slide up, it's not going to touch any tape here. That's where a lot of people go wrong. They ship these, and then the card ends up sliding up, and it touches the tape, and you don't want that to happen. Also, this way, they can just take this, easily remove that tape there. They're good to go. So there we have the card in the top loader. If you need top loaders, I'll put a link for where to purchase these in the description down below as well. So now we need a pen in the envelope, just a standard envelope. I think this is a licky one. You can also get the ones that peel off. Doesn't really matter. You're gonna write the address of the recipient, name, address line 1, address line 2, address line 3 if needed. So you'll just go like this. And then you're going to take your name and put it in the top left. So name, address, city with zip. And then you're going to take a stamp, put it right here in the top right, like a 55-cent stamp. Put it right there. Take the card, place it in here. Just like that. Seal it. Bam. I always take tape like this. Put it right over this. So then you know there's no way that this can be tampered with. You know, you would know if someone took the card out or opened that or anything. And it just keeps it sealed good that way. Dog hair in here. So there you have it. The sealed envelope. Got the card inside all set up. Your address, their address, and the stamp. Then I just place this in my mailbox and put the flag up. You can take it to like the post office or the drop-off locations where they have those like big blue mailboxes that you pull open and then you stick this in and it drops in there. I don't like to do that because then it could drop down like a ways and, you know, hit, damage the card or move it. I just like to set it in my mailbox. Then the mail person comes and takes it and it's good to go. And I've shipped a lot of cards this way. I've never not had one show up. So this is the PWE method, plain white envelope. It's generally used for lower end cards, you know, like anything 20 and under. I'll put it in this. If it's a higher end card, you want to do one of these. This is a padded envelope. So it's kind of the same thing. But you take the card, you put it between cardboard, and then you're gonna send this with tracking. I'll do a separate video on how to do the bubble mailer method as well. So stay tuned for that. But there you have it. Hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.